Igama lami ngumuzi Khumalo. Ngumngani kaThulani ubhala incwadi. Ubhala incwadi emnandi kakhulu ezokhuluma kuthiwa ama-families. Especially kwi-crisis esikuyona njengamanje where there is a breakdown of families and kukhoza ukuthi i-society inga-move forward because one of izinto ezenza ukuthi i-society to move forward ukuthi there is a good relationship eyenzeka within families and uThulani uzame ukubuyisa back i-influence eqhamuka from the father figure ukuthi how important they are ekutheni ifamily ibe ne-influence kwi-society, ibe ne-influence ey'nganeni, ibe ne-influence the overall in South Africa. So le ncwadi izokwenza ukuthi i-society ikhule i-healthy and izokwenza i-society ukuthi move forward, ibe strong in South Africa. I think le ncwadi is one of the best book uThulani ayibhalile ukusiza to assist South Africa, to assist ama-families ukuthi abe strong. Ngiyathemba ukuthi izoqala ama-talks amaningi, izoqala ama-conversation amaningi, izokwenza ukuthi i-South Africa iqala ikhuluma ukuthi how important i-father figure to a family. Ngicabanga ukuthi kakhulu uThulani uzokwenza i-society iqala ikhulume kakhulu.